Greetings, my fellow warriors. So it was the news like a week ago, but let me tell you now. um, Kevin Hassett, the chief economic advisor of Trump, said that next week, that is coming, um economists and Trump leaders and the government leaders and representatives of the government will gather at the White House and discuss about the what and how to do with the housing. As we know that one part of the housing is Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So this is relative day. This So the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac is not resolved. It is part of the puzzle, and what we can expect is actually that if they decide next week, it will not happen next week, the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac release, but then it will be said it needs to happen then, and then. So if it is, the discussion is next week, and they need to prepare the whatever, the paperwork, the just to organize the executive order, display, and to announce little bit here, little bit there. It needs like a couple of weeks more. So it will not happen next week. Next week it might be decided and internally. Then the few levers of the they probably will have to do something, add something, remove something, because it's a big process. So in a couple of weeks we should expect that something happens, but not in a week. It's almost impossible. They had a meeting like on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. They said the whole week will be discussions and decisions about the housing, and that everything happens the same week. It may happen, but I don't believe it will happen like that. So we need like a couple of weeks more. But everything is happening. Everything is the machine is on the move. So if they decide and discuss next week, as Hassan said, in 2-3 weeks they will start to throw out the executive orders and policy movements about the housing, and that includes also solving and deciding what will happen with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So don't expect next week. It's all behind a closed door. If we see in case that we start to see announcement for executive actions, it might be one of those in next, let's say, a month, about Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, because they don't want to drag it for a year to resolve the problem. They will probably be decisive, bang, 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 bang. But they meet next week. They know everything. Each one around the group of people will represent one idea, second, third idea. They will say, implement this one, this one, this one. Don't implement that one. Implement this one. Will it have some consequences? They will evaluate, hear the other opinions, and decide what to proceed. So the next week is week of decision, but week of action will be after that. Overall, I strongly believe that what will happen with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac is already decided, but they want to see all the parts function together, the other opinions, and when they start to roll out actions about the housing reform, that everything is in one chunk, not here and there, but like, okay, we finish this, discuss, then we'll take the actions, because it will be bang, 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 and then we'll see what is happening with our property. So stay well, stay long, and you're on the right side of history, my friends. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac forever.